Hi guys, welcome to QA by Kamal. So this is our second video in the series of numbers, and we will be discussing number of ways of expressing a number as a product of two factors and two more formulas. First of all, the video is brought to you by findmeamentor.live, FAML. So number of ways of expressing a number as a product of two numbers. How can we derive that? As seen earlier in my first video, if you haven't seen that, please pause the video and go to that video and then come to this video. You will get a basic idea of what we are talking about here. So number of ways of expressing a number as a product of two numbers. We had found number of factors as of a number, which is of a number. We had discussed a number. Let me erase it. We had discussed a number in the form a to the power p, b to the power q, and c to the power r dash 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 dash, right? And we had found the formula p plus 1, q plus 1, and r plus 1. This was the formula. If you haven't seen this, if you don't know how to derive this, visit my other video which I had recorded before it. So we have taken a number 140 in the last video. But first, let me get you a formula for expressing a number. Leave that. We will try that after the example. So 140 was our number. So this can be written as 2 to the power square, 5 to the power 1, and 7 to the power 1. Okay. So the number of factors, the number of ways of expressing the number as a product of numbers, that let's say that's small. Okay. So the formula would be number of factors upon 2 for this number. So what will we do? Let's find the formula. Let's find the formula through derivation. 140 can be written as a product of two factors in these forms. 2 into 70, 4 into 35, 4 into 35, 5 into 28, 5 into 28, 7 into 20, and 10 into 14, right? So the number of factors, we have written them twice, two of the factors on the same time. So number of factors is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are the number of factors. So we are getting how many ways of writing them as product of two factors and getting the answer 140. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. So that is coming to be half the number of ways of writing the factors. Okay, so the formula has been clear here. Small n is equal to number of factors upon 2 for this number. But what if the number is a square number? For a square number, we will get 36. Let's take 36 as an example. So how many ways can we write this number as in a form of product factors? So let's say this. 4 into 9, we can write 3 into 12, 2 into it would be 18, 2 into 18, and 4 into 9, and 6 into 6. That's it. The numbers will repeat from there. So if we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but we must note here that 6 into 6 is coming 2 times. 6 number is coming 2 times. So let us write the factors of 36. Factors of 36. 36 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 6 will come again, 12 won't come again, 18 and 13, 6. So how many factors are we having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we are missing something here. We are missing something. Okay, we are getting 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have missed here 9. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are getting 9 factors of this number, right? So, getting 9 factors, if we apply the number of factors of formula, number of factors for a number of ways of writing a square number as a product of 2 factors. So, let us apply the formula. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 upon 2, that will give us an answer of 4.5. So is it 4.5? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 answers. So what will we do? We will add plus 1 here. We will add plus 1 here. And we will get the answer. That is equal to 5. And if we need to write it without the repeating numbers, the formula for square without repeating factors or same factors would be f minus 1 upon 2. We are cancelling 6 into 6, so we are left with 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So we will have 9 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4 as the answer. 4 will be the answer, right? 4 will be the answer. So how are we getting that? You got that? I have started from basics. So let's move to another question. Sum of all factors of a number. Sum of all factors of a number. How will we get that? How will we get that? Sum of all factors of a number. We had written the basic form of a number: a to the power p, b to the power q, and c to the power r, right? Now we will move towards the sum of all the factors of a number. As mentioned earlier, in the form of 140, we had what? Factors as 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 10. After 10, what are we getting? 14, 20, 28, 35, 70. 14, 20, 28, 35, 70, and 140. So these was the number of factors. These were the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 were the factors. Sum of all factors. What will be sum of all factors? We can write 1 as, let's write number 140 as a product of prime factors 2 to the power 2, 5 into 7, product 1. Okay, so if we take 1, we will get again 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 0, and 7 to the power 0. If we put 2, 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 0. If we put 4, 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 0, and 7 to the power 0. If we put 5, if we put 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 0, and 7 to the power 5 to the power 1, and 7 to the power 0. If we put 7, we put 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 0, and 7 to the power 1. If we put 10, we will put 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 0. We will keep on moving with these formulas. Okay, this will be 2 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 0. This will be what? 5 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 7 to the power 0. So we'll keep on moving like this. We will keep on moving like this. So what are we getting? We had seen in the number of factors formula that that number of factors had been presented in 2 ways. So we will write the formulas in this way. Let's see this. How will we write? We can write 2 as a power of, if we add all these, if we add all these, there is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power, they will repeat. We add all these numbers, all these forms of numbers. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 2 are only numbers coming in the number. Okay, if we add all these, all the factors, so what 2 to the power 0 will be common in all the forms. 2 to the power 1 will be common in all the forms. 2 to the power 2 will be common in all the forms, right? In addition to that, 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1 are common in all of that. 5 to the power 0, sorry, 7 to the power 0 and 7 to the power 1 are common in all of them, right? And the other prime number was 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 1. That was common in all of them, right? So this is the till highest power we will move. We can also write this formula with the concept of geometric progression. Geometric progression. Geometric progression would give us formula. Let's take a number as a geometric progression as a Rn. So we will get a number of sum of these numbers. We will get sum of these numbers as sum of these numbers as there is a formula a into r to the power n plus 1 minus 1 upon r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. So we are getting 2 to the power 1 as the r here, and a is always 1 as power of 0 of any number is 1. So we will put the formula here for 2. So we will get 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1, and here is 3. So we will get 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power n plus 1, and here is 2, and here is 2. So we will get 2 to the power 3 and 2 minus 1. So 2 to the power 2 plus 1, 2 was available here, 2 to the power 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 would be the answer. Okay, we will go for 7 2. In this way, we will write 7 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 as the answer for this part. B part, let's take it A part, B part, and C part. For C part, we will be writing what? 5 1 plus 1 minus 1, 5 to the power. Okay, 5 minus 1. This is all. Let's get another slide. Okay. So we have got till here. Let's write the standard formula for this. So if we get any number in the form a to the power p, b to the power q, and c to the power r, we will be getting what? We will be getting the formula as a to the power p plus 1 minus 1 upon a minus 1. Okay, b to the power q plus 1 minus 1 upon b minus 1. Okay, and c to the power r plus 1 minus 1 upon c minus 1. Okay, and dash 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 dash. We got this formula by application of simple procedures. Let's move to next concept: product of all the factors of a number. Product of all the factors of a number. So let's take two numbers. Let's take two numbers. We had taken 140. 140. Okay. Product of all the factors of a number. So the general formula for this would be what? Product of all the factors. So general formula for product of all the factors is n to the power number of factors upon 2. How do we get that? But how do we get that? Let's write in the form of product of factors. 2 into 70, 4 into 35, 7 into 20, right? 7 into 20. We will also get before that 5 into 28 and 10 into 14. Great, right? So if we multiply all the numbers, all the factors 1 with, so the number of factors here present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 was the number of factors present here. F, number of factors was 12. And how many times have we used all factors? We are using once all factors in this form. So we are getting what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ways we are getting, and in all 6 we are using all the factors once, and we are getting the answer as 140, right? So we will get half when we will multiply all this. So we will get 140 to the power 6, product of all the factors as 140 to the power 6. And what is 6 here? Number of factors upon 2. So we are getting the formula, right? So product of factors, all factors of a number would be equal to what? Number upon number of formula for number of factors upon 2. Number of factors upon 2, right? So this will be, let me write it clearly, number of factors upon 2, right? Let's move ahead. Move to the next slide. When we go to the next slide, we will be reviewing this formula for a square number. Let's say 36 as the number. 1 into 36 is the number. 2 into 18 is the number. 3 into 12 is the number. 4 into 9 is the number, and 6 into 6 is the number. So we have got all the forms, and we had seen that the number 6 is repeating itself in the 5th form. So what will we do? We are getting 36 as the number everywhere. We will apply the same formula here, but the number of factors is 9. The number of factors is what? 9. So product of all these factors, if we take the formula as n to the power f upon 2, we will get here n to the 36 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is coming 2 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me highlight it with a ballpoint pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will not count this. 9, 12, 18, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are getting 9. So 9 upon 2. What will that be? 4.5? No, that will not come. That will not be our answer. So what will we do? We are getting 4 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put that number. Let's derive the formula for a square number. So we are putting a number which is we are putting a number which is 36 to the power 4. We have come till here. We have covered till here. Now let's do 36 to the power 4 was there. And now we have to add for this. So we can say that 36 to the power 9 minus 1 upon 2 can be the answer, right? 36 to the power 4 can be 9 minus 1 to the power 2. And we will add what? 36 to the power half, that is root. We will be multiplying it with a root of 6, right? So what will we be getting? 36 to the power 9 minus 2 plus 1 by 2. This will cancel out, and we are getting 36 to the 9 by 2 as answer. So for a square number, the formula is same. What is the square? Writing as a product of two numbers would be n upon f upon 2. So all the best, guys. Revise, repeat all this and do all the questions available to you in numbers, and keep subscribing the channel for next videos. We will also be covering modern maths here. Bye.